Here's everything that's inside the box. We've got our shelves back here, all the bits and pieces that are going to create the entire frame. They actually throw in some work gloves here if you just need them, along with a little mallet slash hammer. Got directions here as well, and then some plastic clips here that are going to go in between and cover up the different edges. So let's get to building. All right, so we got the frame completed. All we need to do is add the shelves. Keep in mind, you could have this as a single 72-inch 5-tier shelf, or you could break it apart and have it as 2 separate shelves, one with 2, one with 3 respectively.